Hello everyone! Good morning! Today, let us show you around Namba, Osaka. Alam niyo ba na ang Osaka is known for kitchen in Japan? That's why many tourists from different countries make sure to visit this place. This location offers a variety of Japanese cuisines and street food, making it the best place for food adventure. And there are also several outlet stores for well-known brands such as Prada, Louis Vuitton, Dolce & Gabbana, at marami pang iba. And yes, ganito karami ang crowd dito sa Dotonbori, Osaka or Namba, Osaka. Andito mo rin matatagpuan ang famous na Glico sign. Dati, sa pictures or sa Facebook lang namin to nakikita. And talagang pinagpipray namin na someday, Lord, kami naman yung makakapunta ng Japan. And right now, we are living the answers to our prayers. At nagpapasalamat talaga kami sa Lord kasi yung mga bagay na dati, pinapangarap lang namin, nasa harapan na namin at na-experience. So, I hope someday na yung mga pinapangarap mo, pinagpipray mo, ang tuparin na rin ng Lord. And I'm sure that if you will not give up, surely your turn will come. And guys, to complete our Namba experience, hindi pwede ang hindi kumain. So, we stopped by at a local restaurant and yes guys, sa harap namin ginawa ang in-order namin. Sobrang sarap niya. Nani ba? Sobrang init.
Hah?
Okay.
Bahay kayo?
Dili, kan na lagi. Lami kayo siya. Dozo, dozo. Yan, makain.
なんか新鮮ですよ、なんか。
So, if you enjoy the hustle and the bustle of the city and want to go on a food adventure or shopping, visit Namba, Osaka. See you there. Bye!